Man, it took ages to get home. That's the last time I let you pick the restaurant. Nan, I'm just going to go see if I'm still constipated. While I'm doing that, why don't you book us a restaurant for lunch? Ugh, if I have to. Nan, did you remember to get your new glasses? Ugh, who does that wee puke think he is? Telling me what to do. I don't need new glasses.
Wee Willy Winky sausages.
Nan, we didn't have to come all the way to Switzerland for tapas, you know. We could have got that at home. Goh, Nan, this menu's a bit weird, isn't it? Nan, this ain't tapas. It's dignitas. Roll for it. Yeah, well, long story short, we've got our plane tickets. We had to roll all the way home. Took flipping ages, it did. Anyway, enough about all that. I wonder what that human man's been up to. Better have done something. Oh, right, so, you just put your bikes on the roof, have you, human man? What's that, human man? Oh, look, you're taking the paint off of an old workbench. That's nice. What's all that, human man? You got half a Ford Mondeo sitting under there. Oh, human man. Why? What's that, human man? You bought the cheapest TIG welder on AliExpress? Well, let's have a look at your handiwork then. Right. Yeah. Yeah, let's not look at that anymore, human man. Yeah, you step away. What's all that down there? Yeah, that lot. You been buying old lab scrap again? What's that thing, human man? Why is there a mushed bog roll on top of it? You ain't been pooing in the shed, have you, human man? Can't leave you alone for 5 seconds, can we? Oh, human man. Well, you want to make a video about all that, do you? No, you ain't doing that, human man. Got to finish that old cluster computer first, didn't you? Since the last time you saw the cluster computer, I made a fancy circuit board. We'll show 'em, human man. Ooh. I even let the human man make a circuit board. Go on, show 'em your one, human man. What you done, human man? It's purple. Circuit boards are meant to be green. What's all that on there, human man? What's Nan doing on there? It's only supposed to be me. Oh, human man. Right, well, I suppose you better start soldering some bits to it, ain't you, human man? Whoa, human man! You skipped a big chunk. You didn't show making half of that stuff. Yeah, all that. Oh well, I suppose you might as well test it. Now you might be asking, how are we going to test it? What we usually do is blink an LED. So why should this be any different? Go on, human man, point at an LED. Yeah, we'll make that one blink. Well, go on then, human man, turn it all on. Yep. Now, get yourself the test program. Yeah, that one there, CTC test. And run that. Now, set it going! It's working, human man, look! Yeah, you point, human man! Try turning the lights off, human man! Right, well, you couldn't see it, so I got the human man to shove the camera closer. And now you can see it! Ooh! Human man, what are you doing with the camera? I don't think anyone can actually see what's going on. Yeah, right. So, human man. Yeah, you stay looking at that one for a second. So what we need to do now is change this board here. Yeah, that one, human man. Change that for a Z80 controller. But we'll leave that for a later video. Yeah, I know, we ain't really got all that much done. But, right, oh yeah, we ain't really got an excuse. Nah, just being the human man, being a couple of lazy bums, really. Well, yeah, anyway, perhaps the next video, we'll try and get that out in less than 4 months. You never know your luck. I'm going now. Bog!
Let us watch as Jeff flies majestically in his portable toilet, propelled by nothing less than his own torrential diarrhea.